This is how to add developers mode to your Excel. Now, this is in regards to the question that was asked yesterday during the data analytics class. So once you open your Excel, you come to options. Okay, right where you have option, a menu pops up. Under this menu, you have general formula, etc. So you're going to come down to customize ribbon. So once you add customize ribbons, you change this choose commands from popular commands, you change it to main tabs. Okay, once you change it to main tabs, you come down to where you have developer and you click on add. Now once you click on add, the next thing you're going to do is click on OK, and your developer mode is added here. Okay, so you can see visual basics, macros, etc., and you can play around it to see what the trainer did yesterday. Another way to add this is also by clicking on any of these tabs here. So you right click on any of the tab, you see customize the ribbon pop up. Now this only happens when you already have your spreadsheet open. So you click on customize the ribbon and you come to popular commands, you change it to main tabs. Okay, developer, then you can choose to add or remove. For example, I want to remove my developers mode, I'll just click on remove and I click on OK, and that is that. I hope this helps you with the question you had, and I want you to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and also share our previous video. Tell others about what we are doing at Nikon Education Foundation. Thank you for watching. See you in class today.